In this video, I will show you how to connect Odoo with Shopify. So if you want to connect your Odoo to Shopify, what you can do right here is to first head over right here to our website on Odoo. And then from in there, we should be able to go to a new tab and search in here for Odoo Shopify connector. So let's search in here for that. And then you should be able to see in here this app store on Odoo. Head over and click on it. Then from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So as you can see, it's actually created by this developer and it costs 366 bucks. You can click onto this, add to cart right here and install it according to your liking. It works for the current version of Odoo as well. So it is actually available in Odoo.sh and on the premise. You can click onto this live preview right here in order to see what it will look like into your case as well.